Hey everyone, in this session I am going to talk about the basic difference between personal data gateway versus standard data gateway in detail. In the earlier sessions we have discussed about the gateway installation procedure as well as the minimum software and hardware requirement and some of the consideration we need to consider before we proceeding for the data gateway. Now, some of you have a question in their mind that what is the basic difference between personal mode and standard mode data gateway. So here is a very straightforward description that I am going to explain to you. First, sharing is not allowed with the personal mode data gateway. Sharing is allowed with the standard mode data gateway. Second thing is that personal mode data gateway is based for a single user, while standard mode is based when you want to share data source with your organization. Third thing, it only be used with the Power BI, which means that we cannot use personal mode data gateway with the other applications. While in case of standard mode data gateway, we can use the gateway application with Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate and Logic Apps. Fourth thing, personal mode gateway only support import mode in SQL Server, while standard mode data gateway supports direct query or live connection. So if your Power BI report is being used with the direct query or live connection, you need to go with a standard gateway. Fifth thing, for analysis service live connection, personal mode is not supported. In opposition, support analysis service with the live connection in standard mode. So these are the 5 basic points that we need to consider before we choosing the personal mode or standard mode data gateway for our report or other application. Hope this helps you to decide which mode of data gateway you need to consider for your project or for your organization. If you have any question related to this concept, you can email me at dhruvinsha16@gmail.com or you can add your question in the comment section. One important announcement I want to do today is that we have launched the podcast channel where you can learn different concept of Power Platform in a podcast format. Now let me open that link for you. So this is my podcast channel. You can go with anchor.fm/power platform and you can see the different available podcast on my channel. One more thing, that you can also listen this podcast on the Spotify as well. So stay connected with me on my podcast. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this Get WhatsApp Update links. This will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be able to receive daily notification from my WhatsApp channel. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.